Hey, welcome to Sing and Cook on Sanjeev Kapoor's Khazana, and I've got today simple and easy, effective use of microwave recipe for you. We all have microwaves at home, but we use it only for reheating or at the maximum baking any cakes. Today, I am going to do a simple one dish meal, chicken pulao. Quick and very easy. Just follow the way I'm doing here. I've got here pre-soaked rice, which is soaked for nearly 15 minutes. Basmati is what I'm using here for this recipe because I love the long grain rice. The basmati is very beautiful for this recipe. So rice nearly 2 cups. So the pre-soaked rice, I've drained the water off. Now in goes the rice. This is raw soaked rice, which has been soaked for 15 minutes in a larger bowl. In goes the chicken, sliced onion, 3 to 4 of these green chilies. I'm just breaking them up here and putting them directly. Quick and simple. That's how I see the use of microwave. I want the microwave to be used very effectively and not use the microwave for a longer time. You know what happens? At the end of the month, you get a nice little electricity bill. So very effective use of microwave. In goes peppercorns, 2 to 3 bay leaf, and salt to taste. I'll add water to this. Whatever quantity of rice that you have used in this recipe, just use double the quantity of water. So if you are using 2 cups of rice, use 4 cups of water. Everything mixed together, plain and simple, no fuss, as you would have done in a kitchen or on a cook stove, right? So in the microwave, no fuss, plain and simple. I'm using a deep bowl, as you see, because as the rice gets cooked, it gets into double the quantity. Generally, when you cook raw rice, 1 kg of raw rice would give you around 2.3 kgs of boiled rice. So effectively, there is a lot of space that will be required for the rice to get cooked. And if there is a larger bowl, the rice particles, the granules, they get cooked nice and fluffy, and the grains actually remain individual. So if I were to use a smaller bowl, the rice would become sticky or would not get cooked properly. So rice in a deep bowl along with everything in this, plain and simple, isn't it? If you are actually thinking of a lazy Sunday afternoon recipe, think about this. Effective. Now what am I going to do in this recipe to effectively use the microwave? So I need to cover this. This thin film is called a cellophane film. If you don't have one at home, just use a glass lid of this bowl, or you use a casserole which has a lid itself. Okay, now this is ready. I need to pierce this so that the steam actually passes off and the film doesn't bloat up. Plain and simple chicken pulao in the microwave. We will cook this for 15 minutes on microwave high. So let me put this bowl in the microwave. Chicken pulao in 15 minutes. Microwave, full power, 15 minutes, and there starts the chicken pulao, which is getting ready to be cooked. No fast cooking in the microwave. Effective use, as I call, of microwave. If you are actually having a microwave, you must learn to use cooking effectively, because you can do multiple things together if you have a large group at home, or if you want to have a quick and easy lunch or dinner recipe. This is one of them. Nearly 8 minutes gone now. The chicken pulao is inside the microwave. So let me just check and give it a gentle stir. So let me take out the chicken pulao. Nice flavors I'm getting. Just be careful whenever you are handling any glass bowls which you're taking out from the microwave. They're generally hot. So let me give a gentle stir. Cling film is completely stuck on this. Wow, Look at the flavors. The rice is also getting cooked. It's nearly half cooked now. Now to this I'll add little oil. Cover the whole chicken pulao back with the film and let me put this back again in the microwave. Chicken pulao inside the microwave being cooked for another 6 minutes more. We will check after 6 minutes if the rice is cooked. If not, we'll add some more water and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. 15 minutes over. Let me just check my chicken pulao, one dish meal cooked effectively in a microwave, plain and simple. Still some more water left and I think the rice is little raw. Let me cook this for another 3 to 4 minutes and the chicken pulao is ready to be served. So another 4 minutes, let's take 4 minutes for this chicken pulao ready to be served. The microwave is calling now, it's hooting. 4 more minutes over. Let me check. As you see here, the rice is cooked, good flavor I am getting. I'll close it quickly because I want the chicken pulao to rest inside the microwave for nearly 3 to 4 minutes or rather 5 minutes so that if there is any little moisture left in the rice, it would get absorbed and you would get good fluffy grains of rice. My chicken pulao is now ready. I will have the chicken pulao rested in the microwave for nearly 5 minutes so that whatever moisture is left in the bowl will be absorbed by the rice and we'll get nice and fluffy rice. Chicken pulao ready for you, quick and simple in exactly 19 minutes. Plain and simple. Isn't it easy? Chicken pulao.